Are you tired of flimsy outdoor furniture that fades, squeaks, or falls apart? Introducing the Traditional Porch Rocking Chairs. They combine style, durability, and comfort for your outdoor haven. Imagine relaxing on a sunny afternoon with a drink in hand. Our oversized rocking chairs are made from eco-friendly HDPE plastic, giving you the aesthetic of wood without any maintenance hassle. No rotting, warping, or fading, just timeless charm that complements your porch. Enjoy 3 key benefits. First, the spacious seats and high backrest provide ultimate comfort for long-sitting sessions. Second, our silent rocking design means no embarrassing squeaks during your quiet moments. Third, the all-weather resistant HDPE material ensures they withstand rain, snow, and sun, providing you peace of mind and durability. These rocking chairs are not just functional, they are stylish too. The wood grain finish offers a vintage look that enhances your outdoor space, making it Insta-worthy. Available in various colors, they fit seamlessly into any style, whether farmhouse, coastal, or modern. What sets Traditional apart? Our rocking chairs are lightweight yet sturdy, able to support up to 360 pounds. Plus, with a 3-year residential warranty, you'll know they are built to last. Don't settle for average outdoor furniture. This is your chance to elevate your porch experience and create a cozy oasis. Ready to upgrade your outdoor space? Take advantage of our autumn offer. Get both rocking chairs for under $250, with an extra 5% off using coupon AUTUMN05. So what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description, choose your color, decide on seat width, and secure your comfort today. The final shot showcases our rocking chairs in the golden hour glow on the porch, steaming mugs resting on the armrests, with the message, "Rock easy, buy now." Don't miss out on transforming your porch into a sanctuary.